In this video, we install the rear rotors, calipers, and brake hoses. Start by installing the plastic centering rings from the rear brake kit. Then install the rotor onto the hub. Hold the rotor in place with a few donor lug nuts. Use bolts and nuts from the N23A or N23B baggie to install the caliper mount. Use 19mm tools to tighten the caliper mount hardware to 85 foot-pounds. Install the brake pads into the calipers. The pad with the spring goes toward the body of the caliper. Place the caliper over the rotor and against the caliper mount. The parking brake mechanism should be at the top of the caliper. Use bolts from the N23A or N23B baggie to fasten the caliper. Use 19mm tools to tighten the bolts to 85 foot-pounds. Check the clearance between the rotor and the caliper. If the clearance is tight, add a washer between the knuckle and caliper mount. Attach the rear brake hose to the caliper using the banjo bolt and 2 copper washers. Aim the hose toward the chassis. Use an 11mm socket to tighten the bolt to 35 foot-pounds. Connect the hose to the hardline. The brake tube nut should go in easily by hand for at least a few turns. Install a donor spring clip or a new spring clip onto the end of the hose. Use a 17mm and a 10mm to tighten the line. Make sure the wrenches are fully seated to avoid stripping the tube nut. Repeat these steps to install the brake rotor, caliper, and hose on the other side of the car.